Hello guys, it's Urku here back with new video and today we're playing a game called Yet Another Zombie Defense. So yeah, this is a zombie defense simulator, so let's just play a game. Choose game mode, defense, endless, deathmatch and sandbox. Reach Night 7 in defense mode to unlock this mode. Defense. The guy, the girl, the SWAT, the doc. We're the doctor, of course. Friends only. No, I'm playing solo, I'm playing alone. Ban player. Cash sharing. Let's resume. Oh no! Oh! Whoa! Why is there so many? There's so many! Give me the cash. Oh yeah, some cash. What do we have? We have an wooden parket, armored parket, electro parket, auto turret, advanced auto turret, landmine, propane tank parket, pistol, grenade, chainsaw, SMG, shotgun, flamethrower, assault rifle, sniper rifle, rocket launcher, freeze gun, Tesla coil blaster and laser. Interesting. We have $3,000 SMG. Let's buy an SMG. Buy some ammo. Nice. How do I switch weapons? No. Next night. And this. Oh! Oh, there's so many! There's so many! Ooh! Level up. Movement speed, of course. We have $5,000. We got grenades and mines. That's nice. What's wooden barricade? Place. We have no wooden barricades. We have auto turret and advanced auto turret. We can have auto turret. Buy. Place. Mount a weapon to arm the turret. Do I need to buy a weapon for that? Pistol. SMG. Mount. Okay, my SMG is mounted on the auto turret next night. We lost our SMG, it's on the auto turret now. No! Oh no! My auto turret! What are they doing? Holy shit! There's so many! No, my auto turret! It's gone! Grenade! Grenade! Die! Ooh! +6 SMG ammo. There goes our auto turret. Can we buy another? No, it's 6,000 now. I want my SMG back, but we can also have flamethrower, assault rifle. Let's buy an. Actually, no. Let's buy SMG. Some ammunition and more barricades. Place. And next night. Oh no! Who's that? Oh no. Our ammunition is gone. What are you? Oh no, I'm cooked. I'm not. Grenade, where's my grenade? There you go. Die, brute! Give me my cash. Health. You need more movement speed. 9,000. No, let's buy the auto turret. Place it right here. With another wooden barricade and place it right here. Then SMG. Mount and buy. And let's buy ammunition. And some more wooden barricades. Let's do this and next night. Oh no! Not good, not good! Score 8,000 points in defense mode. Or health! Movement speed! This is important. Health! Give me my cash. Plus 2 mines. How do I place mines? I have mines, but how do I place them? Storage. Ah. Here, 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 and here. I got my auto turret. Let's buy one. Place. Wooden barricades. Wait, where's SMG? Here. Mount. Buy some wooden barricades. And SMG next night. No! What's happening? No. Oh no, 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 I'm dying. Oh no, this is bad. Oh no. No! Oh no. Oh man. You are dead or undead already. Score. Oh, that's big number. 130000. Defense. This time, let's take SWAT. Friends only. Resume. Come here, zombies. Come here. Come here, you little boy. Go back. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Die. Give me the cash. We need an assault rifle. Rocket launcher. Tesla blaster and laser. Next night. Speed, I need this. I need speed. Oh great, give me mines. Thank you for 2 mines. Nice. Oh no. Give me my cash. Give me my grenades. Level up. Movement speed, of course. We have 6,000. It's still not enough for assault rifle. So let's hope we survive this next night. Yeah, we are definitely not surviving. We are definitely not surviving. Oh no. Grenade, yeah. Oh yeah. 9,000, now we can buy the SMG. Oh, we have also these landmines. Let's place them. We can have an assault rifle right here. Let's buy some ammunition. Let's buy as much as we can. And next night. Oh yeah, look at these. Okay. Okay. Okay, just push. And we did it. Let's buy some health points. 3,000. Do we have some landmines? No. Auto turret. Okay, let's save for the auto turret. And we should be fine. Let's hope. Next night. No, 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 no. Oh no. That was way too close. Oh my god. Auto turret. Bye. Place. Let's place. Let's place an SMG on the auto turret and more ammunition for us. And barricades. This and next night. Oh no. No. Oh fuck! Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh, we need more speed. 6,000 auto turret. We're gonna buy another one. Place it right here. no, we don't have enough money for SMG. We have to buy a pistol. Mount. Okay, let's hope for the best. Dog! What is that dog? Oh no! Dog! Doggy! That was scary. What is advanced auto turret? It's 12,000. Let's buy the auto turret. Let's mount an SMG. Let's just do this. And buy ammunition. Let's buy as much as we can. We don't have any grenades. Ooh, this is bad. We have two landmines. Ooh. We are dead. We are absolutely dead. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm fucking dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Of course. Back. Okay. Endless and deathmatch. Fight zombies in never-ending darkness. Kill other players and try to not to get killed by zombies. What's this? Doctor. Friends only. Resume. Okay. Is here any AI players? I want to know. Is here any AI players or am I just alone here? Yeah, I think I'm alone here. Rocket launcher! Let me have the rocket launcher. Which... Okay, interesting. Let me have this fucking rocket launcher! Oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, let's just... The endless mode. And let's resume. Score at 1000. Okay, they're coming. SMG. Oh my god. Okay. And this and boom. Boom. Puff. What's this? Oh, interesting. Doctor weapon. No, the machine gun! This is not good. Give me the health. Oh! What's this? Invisibility. Nice. Flamethrower. Oh no. We are dead. We are absolutely dead. What's this? Electricity. Oh! Give me the health. No! Oh, we're dead! We're dead! We're dead! No! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want more of these types of videos. And it was Surku here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.